If you run a service business, for example, an agency, consultant, coach, freelancer, IT shop, cleaning company, you name it, your real product isn't your service, it's your time and your expertise. And if your accounting software isn't built for billing clients, tracking time, and keeping cash flow predictable, you will undercharge, miss invoices, and overpay in taxes. So in this tutorial, I'll be breaking down the 5 best accounting software options for service businesses, how they work, how much they cost, and which one makes sense for your business. I'll be going from number 5 to number 1, so be sure to stick around until the end. And I've also included links in the description and pinned comment that will allow you to explore any one of these platforms for free. To get started, what makes a great accounting software for service businesses? The first thing I want you to look out for is client invoicing and estimates, and also time tracking and project billing, expense tracking and clean profit and loss reports, and easy online payments for clients, and also it should be able to scale from solo to small team without breaking the bank. With this in mind, let's dive in. At number 5, we have Wave. Wave is a free accounting and invoicing platform designed for small businesses. You get basic bookkeeping, invoicing, and receipt tracking without a monthly subscription. And I would consider Wave best for freelancers, side hustlers, and very small service businesses that want legit accounting and invoicing on a budget. Some standout features of Wave are professional invoices and quotes, including recurring, income and expense tracking with simple reports, and it also offers basic financial statements, for example, balance sheet and cash flow, and it also offers optional online payments so clients can choose to pay by card or bank and you pay processing fee. And if we were to go onto their pricing page, as I said earlier, you can use it for completely free. With their free plan, as you can see right there, by scrolling down, you can see that they will charge a processing fee of 2.9% plus 60 cents per credit card transaction. And if you were to go onto their paid plan, it begins at $9.50. And with this paid plan, it would cut down the fees that they are charging. And at number 4, but before diving into number 4, let me quickly talk about some pros and cons when it comes onto Wave. First, starting with the pros. It is perfect if you're just starting out and don't want another subscription. It is easy to learn and offers a simple dashboard, and it is great for basic cash flow tracking plus tax time. The only pullbacks I would say is it is not ideal once you have a bigger team or multiple entities or complex needs, and it also offers fewer advanced automation and integration options than other paid tools. Now let's go to number 4. At number 4, we have Zoho Books. Zoho Books is a cloud-based accounting platform that focuses on automation, client billing, and integrations at a very competitive price. And I would consider it best for small agencies, IT firms, consultants, and service businesses that want more automation, for example, workflows, reminders, client portals, without paying enterprise prices. And if we were to quickly talk about the features of this platform, it offers estimates, invoices, retainers, and recurring billing, expense tracking, bank fees, and tax support, project-based time tracking and billing, also automation rules. For example, you'll be able to send reminders, apply late fees, and route approvals. And if we were to quickly look at their pricing, while you can get started for completely free, as you can see right here, their paid plan begins at $20 per month, and it can go up to $70 per month, depending on the amount of features you want and also the size of your team. And if we were to talk about the pros and cons when it comes onto Zoho Books, starting with the pros, first, it offers a good service for an excellent value. So powerful features at a very low cost, and it is great if you're already using Zoho ecosystem. For example, if you're using Zoho CRM or projects, you should automatically use Zoho Books. It also offers strong automation and multi-device access. The only pullback I would say when it comes onto Zoho Books is the setup can feel a bit more technical if you have never used business software. And also the ecosystem is big and can be overwhelming if you only need the basics. And taking the number 3 spot is none other than Zero. Zero is best for growing service businesses with teams. It is a modern cloud accounting platform with unlimited users on all plans and over 1,000 integrations, making it a favorite for growing service businesses. I would consider it best for agencies, professional services, IT or MSP firms, and consultancies that want clean accounting, multiple users, and strong integration with tools like payroll, CRM, and project management. With Zero, you'll be getting features like invoicing, quotes, and online payment options, bank feeds and reconciliation, expense claims, bill payments, and robust reporting for profit, cash flow, and VAT and sales tax. Also, as I mentioned earlier, it integrates with over 1,000 different apps, including practice management, payroll, and payment platforms. And if we were to check out their pricing option, as you can see right here, it is actually quite affordable, as it starts off at $2.90 per month, and it can go up to $7.50. And this varies depending on the amount of features that you want, as you can see right here. So if you want access to use multiple currencies, you would have to go onto their most expensive plan. And also when it comes on to their analytics option, as you can see right there, that is optional. And you can scroll down and you can see the different features. But you could get started for completely free, as they offer a 30-day free trial period. And if we were to quickly talk about the pros and cons of Zero, first, unlimited users on all plans, and also excellent integration ecosystem, and it is a great option for accountants, bookkeepers who want to manage multiple clients. The only pullback I would say when it comes onto this platform is it can feel like too much if you're a one-person operation. Now let's go on to number 2. And taking the number 2 spot is actually one of my favorites, FreshBooks. FreshBooks started as an invoicing software and grew into a full accounting system with a strong focus on service-based businesses and professional services. I would consider FreshBooks best for freelancers, agencies, marketing firms, designers, consultants, and any service business where you bill by time, project, or retainer. Some standout features when it comes on to FreshBooks are beautiful estimates and invoices, including retainers and recurring invoices, built-in time tracking linked to projects and clients, expense tracking and simple reports, client portal to review invoices, pay online, approved estimates, and project collaboration tools for small teams. And if we were to quickly look at their pricing option, you can get started for as low as $8.40, and it can go up to $26 per month. Keep in mind you can try out FreshBooks for completely free, as they offer a free trial. And you can see the different options right here. As a freelancer, as self-employed, you can see the different options right there. And if we were to quickly talk about the pros and cons, starting with the pros, it is designed specifically with service businesses in mind. It is also super easy for tracking time. For example, you'll be able to track time and turn it into an invoice. It is very beginner friendly. The only pullbacks I would say is the client limits on lower tier plans, and also it is less suited for those that are not doing. Also, it is less suited if you're doing heavy, and also it is less suited if you're doing inventory heavy work or multiple entities. And taking the number 1 spot is none other than QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is one of the most widely used accounting platforms for small businesses, with editions for everyone from solo service providers up to multi-employee firms. QuickBooks Online is best for most small to medium-sized service businesses that want a widely supported solution with robust bookkeeping, invoicing, and reporting, and easy access to bookkeepers and accountants who already know the system. Some standout features of this platform include invoicing estimates, recurring invoices, and progress invoicing. You'll also be able to track income, expenses, profitability by customer, project, or class, bank feeds, receipt capture, and built-in reporting. It also offers add-ons and integrations for payroll, time tracking, for example, QuickBooks Time, and more. And if we were to quickly look at their pricing, you can see that you can get started for completely free as they offer a 30-day free trial period, and their monthly plan begins at $11.40, and it can go up to $82.50 depending on the features that you want. And if we were to talk about the pros and cons, it is widely adopted and easy to find bookkeepers and tax pros who know QuickBooks. It is also strong all-round feature set for most service businesses, and lots of add-ons and third-party integrations. The only pullback is the pricing has increased over the years, especially for desktop or higher tiers. Now, to wrap things up quickly, I would recommend Wave as the best option for persons that are looking for a free option for solo and tiny service businesses, and Zoho Books is best budget automation for growing service firms, while Xero, on the other hand, is best for growing teams that need unlimited users and integrations, and FreshBooks is best for time-based and project-based billing, while QuickBooks Online is best overall all-rounder for most service businesses. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.